Long before humans dominated the land, massive bears roamed the forests and mountains, kings of caves and shadows. Meet the cave bear, one of the largest bears to ever live, a giant that ruled the ancient forests and mountains. For thousands of years it thrived, feeding, wandering, surviving. Yet its end would come quietly, shrouded in mystery. What caused the cave bear's extinction? Climate, humans, disease, or something more mysterious? Its reign ended. In the Pleistocene epoch, an era of giants and ice, the mighty cave bear was a true sovereign. These magnificent creatures, weighing up to a ton, were perfectly adapted to the frigid ancient world. Unlike their modern carnivorous cousins, cave bears were primarily herbivores, a surprising diet for such a formidable predator. Their powerful jaws and teeth were perfectly designed for grinding tough plant matter, a testament to their unique evolutionary path. Early humans shared their world and their caves with these colossal bears, immortalizing them in ancient art. Within these sacred caves, countless cave bears found their final resting place, their bones telling stories of a bygone era. Modern science now unearths their secrets, piecing together the life and times of these magnificent prehistoric giants. For generations, cave bears thrived, raising their young in the abundant forests, a testament to their enduring legacy. From dense forests to towering peaks, the cave bear was a master of its diverse, challenging environment. Watering holes were vital hubs, bringing these solitary giants together in moments of shared, tranquil existence. Their powerful dentition and vegetarian diet set them apart, a unique adaptation in a world of fierce carnivores. Marking their territory on ancient trees, these solitary giants asserted their dominance, leaving their silent claim. With keen senses and imposing presence, the cave bear stood as an undisputed sentinel of the Pleistocene wilderness. When winter's chill descended, these magnificent creatures retreated to the depths of their ancestral caves for hibernation. As humans expanded, their paths inevitably crossed with the cave bear, leading to fierce and deadly confrontations. Driven by survival, early humans ventured into the bear's domain, seeking shelter and resources, creating inevitable conflict. As the climate grew colder, the cave bear's world began to shrink, its food sources becoming increasingly scarce. Their specialized herbivorous diet, once an advantage, now became a vulnerability in a rapidly changing world. Starvation became a constant threat, weakening the once mighty giants, making them vulnerable to new dangers. Weakened by hunger, the cave bear became prey, facing relentless attacks from agile predators like the dire wolf. These fossil beds are grim reminders of the mass extinctions that swept across the Pleistocene landscape. Human hunting pressure, though localized, began to impact the isolated and vulnerable cave bear populations. Natural disasters, like massive landslides, also contributed to localized extinctions, trapping bears in their caves. Isolated and fragmented populations struggled to adapt to a world that was rapidly transforming around them. Isolated and fragmented populations struggled to adapt to a world that was rapidly transforming around them. New plant species emerged, replacing their traditional food sources, forcing a difficult and often impossible dietary adaptation. The changing world meant fewer successful births, and the loss of cubs, further accelerating their decline. The last of their kind, burdened by age and a changing world, sought refuge in the ancient, silent caves. Today, the cave bear lives on in our museums and imaginations, a powerful symbol of nature's lost giants. Through ancient DNA, scientists are unlocking the genetic secrets of the cave bear, revealing new clues about its life. Through meticulous digital reconstruction, the cave bear is brought back to life, revealing its majestic form in stunning detail. Educational parks and exhibits allow us to walk among these ancient giants, imagining their lives in a lost world. The search for answers continues in remote wildernesses, where every rock and fossil holds a piece of the puzzle. The search for answers continues in remote wildernesses, where every rock and fossil holds a piece of the puzzle. As humans mastered fire and shelter, their survival rates improved, increasing their competition with the megafauna. Each passing winter brought new challenges, pushing the cave bear to its limits in a landscape of ice and scarcity. Emerging diseases, possibly spread by other animals or early humans, could have devastated vulnerable populations. The geographic ranges of cave bears steadily shrank, squeezed by both the changing climate and the relentless expansion of humans. As the sun set on the Pleistocene, so too did it set on the reign of the magnificent cave bear, fading into history. Their last footprints, frozen in time, bear silent witness to a world that vanished beneath the encroaching ice. Through art and imagination, we continue to honor the memory of the cave bear, ensuring its story endures. Though long gone, the spirit of the cave bear continues to roam, a powerful reminder of ancient life on Earth. The cave bear's mysterious end teaches us about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate balance of life on our planet.